Welcome back to another episode of Modern Motors. Today we're going to do the Go Fast Bits GFB, pretty much a diverter valve. Essentially this is supposed to improve the throttle response. So we started doing this install yesterday, as you guys saw, because we had the hood strut. Once we took it off for the thumbnail, we said might as well just leave it off since we're going to back here tomorrow. Then we popped these little guys off. We took the 10 millimeter, because these are 10 millimeters are in here, and then I dropped one down below, which was very sad.
Very sad.
Some of you guys raved about, okay, so here's the thing, just to give you guys transparency, the reason we haven't installed this, yes, it's a very cheap part, it's like only 140 bucks. Some people said that they had problems with it. Other people have raved about it and said it's the best thing that they've ever bought for the car. One of you guys actually convinced me on actually buying this thing. They said I should have bought it yesterday, so here I am buying it. I figured we'll let you guys know if we have any issues with it. You guys we're a trusted source for you guys, so we figured why not run it and figure out if it does have any issues or if it really is worth the money.
Yep.
So we decided to buy it.
Nice.
So just lift this guy up. I think that's what we did last time, right?
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, it's just 10 mils and then just like these little round things in the back that hold it in.
What the heck?
And that's it. What you're looking at is a very dirty engine bay, but this is pretty much the thing that we're going to be taking off today.
Wait, this thing right there?
This thing right here.
Okay.
We're going to pop this off.
Okay.
I believe it's the 8 millimeter. Don't quote me. If you guys are actually here listening for the third keyword, we are going to say the third keyword today. Now, a reminder, the only way that you guys can win this, this is going to be tomorrow's video. The first person to comment in tomorrow's video, the full phrase, it's going to be blank blank in today's keyword. The first person to comment that will win everything that we're talking about in the video. So the only way that you can win, though, is if you're subscribed to Modern Motors and you're following us on Instagram. Yes, we will ask for validation that you are subscribed to Modern Motors if you do win, so we will be checking.
Well, some people don't have Instagram.
Well, that's how we're going to DM them, because we can't DM them on YouTube.
Oh, that's true.
So you have to, even if you don't have a Instagram,
You use your grandma's Instagram.
Use your grandma's, use your friends. That's how we're going to get your address and information to send all this stuff out to you.
True.
So you need an Instagram. You need to be subscribed to us. We'll ask for a screenshot that you are subscribed to Modern Motors, because that's only fair, right? And if you think, I'm not going to be the first one, it's okay, because it's going to be a Saturday. You might be busy. That's not the only giveaway that we're going to be doing. We have another one coming right up, not too soon after this one. So, just keep playing the game of luck.
Yeah.
It's so messy back here. You're gonna move this back. Meow. Once you release the red locking tab, you're gonna push in, and it should come. Just like that. Like I said, I believe it's 8 mil.
Okay.
Friendly reminder to put your tools away. Took me a minute to find that one.
So this is an 8.
8 mil. Yeah. Hard to get out to get a super long extension.
Yeah, you have these clips in the way.
Tough.
You kind of have to hold your breath, because...
This is what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, that's what... Oh, okay. We didn't even open the box. We didn't even do an unboxing.
Go, here we go.
Oh, put it over here.
These
In
are
the sun.
Can I open this upside down?
Oh, please.
I don't know which way I was supposed to open this. You got the new screws, spring, little piston things, another spring. You got your certification that you're certified.
Oh, do you get a certified?
No, I was just kidding.
Oh, dang it.
This is the same company we ran for the Supra, for the boost controller.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's funny, huh? So we took this off with this little gasket here. And then, to my understanding, we're supposed to pry this up. I don't know how we're gonna get this in time, but basically put this little yellow thing back, put the spring back in, put this plunger back in. They give you a new spring. Again, watch Madness's video. Way better.
Just be careful.
Just be careful with whatever you do. Don't be a Reiki. This goes like this. There's a notch, it says, right over here. Can't mess it up. Notches go with notches. Wow, okay. And it goes another spring. That's what I thought it said. Push this one here with plunger.
Oh.
Meow, 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 meow. Okay, so you got this little contraption. I'll show you like the madness video showed you. You drop it out. Ooh, it's gonna fall out. No bueno. You should really lube this up with oil. Buddy, you know what I'm saying?
We're just trying to install it and go back inside.
Yeah, honestly.
So it's 40 degrees outside and it's died.
I think this makes sense to everybody. This should have been an easy install, but if you're ever modifying cars, nothing ever goes as planned. Nothing ever goes as easy. It's always a lovely time. So, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this little bad boy back over here. You're gonna install it, and then you put all three. These are gonna be T25s. Now you're not gonna see us do this on video, and the reason is I need my wife for a flashlight. But next video clip you should see is it installed. Yeah. Okay, that was an absolute nightmare. This video, if it does go out, is gonna go out super late. Guarantee that much. There you go. Diverter valve. Nightmare. Never want to do that again. Let's hope nothing's broken and everything just turns on just right. Wow, we haven't had another late night install in a while, huh?
No.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
I don't want to do this again.
The code word of today is forever. So blank, blank, forever. And the reason we're keeping it towards the end because we look at the analytics and right when we said the code word, you guys dipped out. It literally shows me dips in the metrics. So today's code word is forever. So tomorrow when we drop the video of the products, that means you have to be the first one to put in blank, blank, forever. If you're the first one to put blank, blank, forever, we will reach out to you via Instagram, meaning you have to have an Instagram as well. Because we'll be getting your address and all your personal information to send this out to you. And because you're not first, that means you do not have to, please still put blank, blank, forever. In order for you to put blank, blank, forever, we may give out some extra stuff. You may be qualified for another drawing at another time. Who knows? There's some benefits to putting that back in the chat. So even if you're not first, make sure you still put it in and participate. We'll go test this diverter valve tomorrow. I'm actually technically sick right now. So I feel like horrid. And then this thing is a nightmare, so you know, this wasn't a good time and I only had like an hour to do it, so rough video, but I don't know if this is educational, but we'll put a link in for an educational video. Was this fun? Did we smile a lot? Not really. I don't even know how long this video is. We might not even make it over the 5-minute mark.
Educational. Advice? Be careful installing this.
Hey man, if you want to do this diverter valve, first off, the amount of extensions that I needed to get into this thing is absolutely atrocious. It is not user-friendly.
They make it seem so easy in the video.
Blade. It's out. Me, I literally had vice grips, and it still didn't come out. So this was not as easy. If you are not, I'm pretty well equipped with tools. This was not a well equipped tool type scenario. So I don't know. Maybe I had better luck than I did. I did not have good luck with this. This was supposed to be like a 2-minute install, and this took me way too long.
Throw a check engine light, so I'm assuming everything.
Well, we'll go test it tomorrow and see how it's Saturday, so we'll be able to.
It's Friday.
Tomorrow's Saturday.
Oh.
Because they say, okay, so I was watching Madness's video. I've never installed one of these before. They said just get a screwdriver or blade and plop, 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 plop. Bro, I got vice grips and it's still nothing was coming out. So I literally broke the entire thing to get it out. So this is not a very good instructional video.
Ricky's sick.
Learn from my mistakes. Take it to somebody professional.
To be fair, the little plastic around it is very small.